Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by sharpening intent. Type the exact phrase and quote so results match your words, then subtract noise with a minus sign. Once done, narrow to a trusted source using cite or lock format with file type. Make sure to group alternatives with or inside parentheses to broaden coverage without losing focus. This first step stops scattershot queries and surfaces relevant pages fast, so your next actions operate on cleaner result sets. Now deepen precision by directing Google to where words should appear. In title, finds titles in URL, searches addresses, and in text, targets body text. Once that runs, apply numeric ranges with 2 dots for dates, prices, or measurements to filter by span. Also try related, to discover similar sites and cache, to view a saved snapshot if a page disappears. These operators reduce scrolling and reveal content you otherwise miss, speeding decision-making and research. Complete the process by scanning result types. Switch to images, videos, or news and use tools to restrict timeframes. Then test alternatives. Drop in the asterisk wildcard to fill gaps or use define to get crisp definitions. If you see poor results, troubleshoot by simplifying, remove one operator at a time, or expand site to the whole web. Make sure to iterate quickly. Small tweaks reveal dramatically different, often better, answers without wasting.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.